I no grape no child. I wasn't involved in no sexual activity with no kids. Meaning if I apologize to nobody, I'm gonna go for no, maybe even know if I go. Gonna station and me know my conscience is free. Everybody says it's serious on the media, on TikTok. I just walk past station a while ago. Or the police say, hey young man, come report or whatever. They do it, man. People, wanna have a wonderful evening. I know you're not gonna believe me. I don't really care either. My conscience is free. Well, your name tarnish. Me can't delete my TikTok. My name is only tarnish on TikTok, darling there. Okay? I can delete TikTok and avoid it. Voila. How about that? You can't delete my TikTok. TikTok is not my life. I have a life before TikTok and I always will have a life after. Doesn't matter. You know, I need to talk about no foolishness. I back up me. You know how you call it. You sure? You sure? You say don't walk at me.
Why you forget a little one lick still? You should have glad.
Tell us a lie.
See that piece of machine that lean up in the wall?
No, I use and put the tree.
Okay.
Go on, you walk.
Miss, go on. But you know me,
Come here, carry on.
Come on, man.
Papa, get the man, come on.
Lie your fuck. Good night, sir. Fucking lie. Lie your fuck. To build that lie. Right.
So go all the way over.
Over.
Something there right here, so.
Come on, let's take.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set with bless. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen. Yeah, people, boy, oh boy, me never know, say, so much slackness did I keep up on TikTok, you know. Honestly, cause you know, so we like the ghetto and raw and uncut stuff. You know what I mean? But these stories with Annie and our pitney them is crazy. You know what I mean? As you see the youth in at the beginning get locked up for dealing with you know who. Zoey. You see I say, put in the comment section where you think about that, because a lot of people is saying, you know, it wasn't what people is making it look like to be. You know what I mean? But the law is the law, you see I say. And some of these big men have to know what they might deal with, especially when they might put out them business on social media. As you know, with women too. You know, it's in Jamaica's nature to pimp out the little wonder. You see, my son, you know, I have a whole family up on TikTok. I do skit and all of this stuff. But me not gonna lie to you, I'll be a slackness. I keep so big up the government for doing them job. But nevertheless, I gotta talk about the situation with Akii her walk at hand. I mean, never even know Akii walk was a person, I swear, say, some street and things, you see. So let's like and share the video from now and let's get into it.
But that's my fault. Cause I say since he start par with me, the whole line people then start fight against him. And he also him have them take back a place and start build up here and run him. What day when him go down, he said them a fight him for $10,000. He one family member, he say a fight him for 10 grand. And me give me 10 grand. Me give more than 10 grand for go back and watch you with. Saying could I pay the bill, cause I said them a fight him. I in my head me I say, I must be kind compare with me. Make you all and people them turn against him. He must say people them must say, oh you par with Annie, and you turn celebrity, you have money. Me want me money. And he said them fight him down there. Say them fight him off down there. And me give me money. When he come much part me there, he say him come up because everybody down a Falkland turn against him. That a Falkland in my era too, you know. Zane, when he come here, so he never did not sleep in my house. Over mama him asleep. Oh, me fi have him in my house. Me never have space in my house right now. Right now, me want a bed. Me want a next bed. A big family me have. So him never did not sleep in my house. Over mama he sleep, bro. Before he did not sleep over mama and I carrying did not sleep. But me think I just rate family and him there so with we. And mommy call me any little thing he run, come take it up for me and help me. And me give him thanks heat. Not even my youth. They not help me as so him help me, so me respect him feet. You're smiling on my face because you know what you do. What you say? Greatness, thank you, baby, eh? Yeah, man. Greatness, big up yourself, baby. Yeah, man, when you're not ready. Man, smiling on my face. Just imagine that, baby. Imagine that. Eh?
Yes, one bag of carelessness is my says, so let's proceed to the next because as you can see, Jake has a smile that can bright up a room. Right, my people, putting at the comment section, look at him smile compared to the sun. It brighten up F. You see me, I say, and we know who is making him smile. It's one chef, you see me. And Rosealee not too like that, because you see she Russia already, you see me, I say. But nevertheless, you know Jake's black, Rosealee, on TikTok. And from calling him. And she is stressed. You see me, I say. But not only that, she said Jake's is a big embarrassment for her and her family. You know what I mean? And people always wonder and I ask her, what is really going on?
I'm gonna tell him embarrass me on the road, embarrass me out the road. People are looking around and what do you mean? Embarrassment on the road. The whole of Jake's family know him stay if you don't want him over train line. No, me not turn the light on him. Him brother never Canada and come here and say, make me and you and just cover jealous and make him know say Tony, we not gonna hold you know. And I'm not really, I mean, know him feel away, but I'm not really, him me not gonna hold in that Jake's, me not gonna know with. Tony, if I want to come and me go the whole world of Jamaica, me will come, but me not go nowhere with that man. Me not go, me not go. Never party, me not go with him. Not even a physical party. Me not gonna, me don't want to go nowhere with him. Me not look, and I'm not looking at pity party. And I look here now, I'm not looking at pity party, I'm not looking at innocence of nobody. Leave me alone. For the net, leave me alone. For the net, leave me alone. Take off the mask, me not put on. So me come over here. Me look for me youth them at hard times. Alright then. Since this happened, and me realize say, me have to call the phone but you youth them, me have to call the phone but you youth them, and it now work out, me make sure me block you. Me now call, I don't call him. And if I call him only about the 20,000 and him root to me and tell me I'm gonna kick up and pick up and sick up. Me no look on him. And today is Wednesday. Okay. When I'm go over, I'm like, what type? You still there in my yard? I'm going to move, you now move, and I'm telling my daughter to block me. Go on and buy something for me. Go on and buy something for me. I know you drop down.
Yeah. What kind of answer, bro?
Yeah. But we have a serious fight. You play the vice something you want to play. Leave me alone. Why say why someone who will come up and chat never say bad to bad, leave the woman alone and go on by your business. Make sure go on. You talk big and brawl and bold, say you know want me big and bossy with then, alright then, fine. No problem. Go now. Come me done with you long time, you know. Me done with Jakes long time in my mind, you know. I wonder if someone knows me done with Jakes long time in my mind. Am I youth them making distill around me? What seriously? Am I youth them making distill around me? My youth them. Come here, try keep a family together with concept of have 2 parents. Me know what a long time I left Jakes. Long time I not feelings to Jakes. Numb. Long time I numb. When Jakes are grinding me turn my back. Dying film come long time. Long time so long I put it all long. Long time I left him long time in my mind. Left him a long time in my mind. Some don't know. I got talk about jealous. Someone who does sick, I don't know what for chat say. Long time I left him in my mind. If me the one Jakes, I'm gonna go on date with man pa. So someone if put that in a pipe and smoke it 1st of October. If me the really want Jakes, this time me could have really left come out of my house and say me I go on date with man.
Here, put in the comment section where you think about that. Now, these are the open letters from Cardi B and Nicki Minaj towards them one another. Lots of wild allegation. Cardi said Nicki Daddy do the unthinkable to her and her husband is stealing from her and bear bag of picnic things. He said, I say, I'm not going to read them out for you. I can press pause and read it for yourself, but it's spicy. You see, I say, put in the comment section if you team Cardi B or team Nicki Minaj. Anyway, people, when I go longer, this no longer, you know. You see, I say, bless.